Oh, we're live? We're live! Greetings, people of YouTube land. This is Andy, aka Witchfire65, and I am bringing you another Transformers review. Surprise, surprise! And this time it is of this guy. Transformers 2007 Rescue Ratchet. I think it's Rescue Ratchet, and he is a Voyager class. Sure, they could have done. I think they could have done a much better job on this mold than they have done. I mean, you've got panels here that are all over the place. Got this section here which is loose as well. Excuse me, let me adjust the camera. There you go. That's better. You can see me now. I mean, yeah, it's an alright vehicle mode. Could have been better. Could have been more accurate, I suppose. So, anyway. Biog. Ratchet is true to form with all his incarnations, is the medic. But also, in the movie, he is not averse to going into combat. He's still trying to sort out RC's vocal processor. RC? Bumblebee. He's trying to sort out Bumblebee's vocal processor, not RC. What else to say about him? He has some funny scenes in the 2007 movie, which are quite memorable, to tell the truth. One being where he shorts out an entire block by stumbling into a power line. Yeah. So this is the repaint of the original Voyager toy. I didn't actually get around to getting the original one, but this is a repaint on the same lines. I think it's Rescue Ratchet. I'm not sure. Someone who has this one, can they correct me on it, or let me know that I'm right or wrong? Thanks. So yeah. Okay, onto the transformation. What you want to do first is remove this piece. Next, it's really down to you how you want to proceed. Bring this section forward. Go to the back. Rotate this section down. Be careful, it is prone to coming off. So be very careful of that. So fold it down so it's like that. Alright, next you want to free up these panels. Here. This panel here. Fold back, and that reveals the hand, if you could call it a hand. Do it on the other side. Fold it back. There you go. Right, next, swing this section up. I'll get this right. Swing that section out. Same on the other side. Swing that section out. Right, next. Lift up the legs to that point. Actually, no, wait, that's wrong. Sorry, my bad. I want to rotate this section down. Then there is a post there which will go into that port there, which you swing up, so they snap into place, and that will fall down. It does that quite a bit. Next, right here, I want to move this back, separate the windscreen like so, and fold it round to that point. Do it on the other side. So when it's done, it looks like that. Get those back out of the way. Right, next you want to fold this down, and when you do that, this panel here will pop out, and that will form a knee joint, and the panel there will form a knee joint. So you can't see it, it's just slightly there, but you can see the knee there formed. So do it on the other side. Here you go. Then you want to fold the legs down. What did I tell you? The panels keep on popping off. I am not Captain Pop-Off. Sorry about that. Okay. And you want to separate the legs and then rotate them round 180 degrees. And you want to fold this section down. It's a bit difficult because these, there you go, do that, these panels can get in the way, so rotate down and snap into place if you can. Move, oh yeah, move that out of the way as well, sorry. So snap into place, and that's his holding on. Rotate the arms round, rotate the arms round, fold down, fold down, then finally the money shot, the head. You just fold that panel back. And there we have Ratchet in robot mode, and honestly, I am not impressed with this mode at all. It's not even close to how it was on screen, and it's weak. Quite frankly, I'm looking forward to when the deluxe class version of this guy comes out. I mean, sure, he's Voyager class and got better transformation, but overall he's just weak. He really is. Okay. Articulation. The head rotates 360 degrees. The arms can rotate 360 degrees, go up and down, bend at the elbow, swivel at the elbow, and that is another problem there. That happens. Sorry. There's no wrist movement, got no waist movement. The legs can go backwards, forwards, up to the very limited side movement, swivel at the knee, bend at the knee. Could probably have some ankle movement, but not much. Yeah, he is quite weak, truth be told. Okay, he has an axe, well, supposedly an axe. So you just want to pop this, open up this panel here. Yeah, I'll just show it like this. So open up this panel here, pull this section down, rotate it around, and then snap that panel back into place. Open this up, and that is supposed to be an axe, although it doesn't look like an axe to me. Put that back on. Right, this roof rack is another weapon, but I don't know what the hell sort of weapon that is. Claw. Yeah. And it plugs into there. Let me just show you that. Okay. What do I think? In all honesty, wait for the Revenge of the Fallen Deluxe version of him to come out and get him. Anyway, I'm Andy, aka Witchfire65. This is Transformers 2007 Voyager class Ratchet.